Hey guys, I am back with another TikTok tutorial, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to apply the zoom in effect for your TikTok videos, so stick around. Oh, okay, so let's don't kill time and make it really quick. In order to create this zoom in effect, you're gonna use the Videoleap and also Prequel app. The Videoleap app will be used to create the zoom in transition, and Prequel will be used to apply the effects. So in order to recreate the video that I just showed you in the beginning of this video, I'm just gonna go to my TikTok app and I'm just gonna look up for vintage. There's this account that posts pretty cool music. So when I look that up, I just scroll down until I find this music. Yes, this one. So I click on that, and in order to record it, I just click on use this sound. I mean, most of you already know this. And after you create your video, you just hit post, and after it's uploaded, you're just gonna save it on our phone and we can remove it now. And after you've saved your video, I'm just gonna go and open my Videoleap app. Then I just open the video that I just saved. Then I go to the beginning of my video. I zoom in until I get rid of those TikTok logos on top and bottom. And then I click on the diamond, then I go to the end of the video. I zoom in. So this is your choice. I mean, you can put the maximum zoom, however you want. I'm just gonna zoom in on my face. And then if you see, as I play it, it's just gonna start zooming in. And we're done with the Videoleap app. I'm just gonna go export it. Let's wait until it's done. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and open my Prequel app. After the app is open, I'm just gonna import the video that I just saved out of Videoleap. Yes. I'm just gonna apply the blinge effect or any of the effects of your choice. I'm just gonna save it. And then after it's saved, I'm just gonna reopen the same video that I just exported because I want to add another effect to that. Again, I go to effects and I choose VHS. Just mix these two effects and export the final video. And yeah, you're all set. You have this pretty cool zoom in effect that you can apply to your videos and just post it on your TikTok and go viral. Yeah guys, that was it. Pretty short, huh? Alright, so if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up, and if you want to see more of TikTok tutorial videos, make sure to subscribe and turn on your bell notifications, and please stay safe. Mukhlas.